Right, in our first example, we're going to find the first surface area of a couple cylinders. So let's remember what that surface area formula is. Remember, it's pi times the diameter times the height plus 2 pi r squared. Remember, the 2 pi r squared takes care of the bases of your cylinder, and then the pi dh takes care of that lateral surface. Alright, so let's figure out what we know about our little cylinder over here. The 6 is our radius. That 8 that connects one circular base to the other circular base is the height. So our height is 8. And then the other thing that we are going to need for our formula is the diameter. I can see there's a D right there. So the diameter is twice the radius, so 12. Alright, then we just plug it into the formula and simplify. So surface area is going to equal pi times our diameter, which is 12, times the height, 8, plus 2 pi r squared, and we're going to plug in a 6 for the r. Alright, so when we simplify this, we'll go ahead and multiply 12 times 8. We're going to get 96, so I'm going to write 96, and I'll put the pi after it, plus, now 6 squared is 36, and then 36 times 2 is 72, and then the pi stays with that. Alright, so now we notice that these are like terms. We can go ahead and add those together. That's going to give us 168, and the pi stays, so 168 pi. And then our unit, which we don't have one, so we're going to fill in units squared. So not too bad, pretty straightforward. We were given all the information we needed, so that was pretty good. Alright, so the next one, let's identify our information again. We know that our radius is 4, our height is 10, and then the thing they didn't give us, but we can figure out, the diameter is going to be twice the radius, so 8. So our surface area equals, just plug everything in, so pi times the diameter, which is 8, times the height, 10, plus 2 pi r squared. And our radius is 4, and we square that. Alright, so 8 times 10 is 80. We have 80 pi plus 4 squared is 16, and 16 times 2 is 32, and then the pi stays there. And then let's go ahead and combine those like terms. 80 plus 32 is 112, and don't forget the pi does need to be part of your answer. So 112 pi, and then our unit is units squared because it's area. And that's how you find the area of a cylinder.